Cool thing about multiplying fractions, you just multiply straight across, then check to reduce to lowest terms. Let's take the first example, 1/2 times 3/4. So 1 times 3 on the top, that's 3. 2 times 4 on the bottom, 8. So 3/8. And guess what? That's lowest term, so that one's done. Yeah. Okay, let's take this next example, 2/3 times 3/4. We go multiply straight across. 2 times 3, that's 6. On the bottom, we've got 3 times 4, that's 12, 6 over 12. Ooh, both can be factored by 6, basically divided by 6. So that becomes 1 over 2 in lowest terms. That one's done. Cool, last one. We have 7 over 15 times 3 over 49. Again, we're going to multiply numerators. That's 7 times 3. That'll be 21 up top. And then 15 times 49 on the bottom. That's 735. Now, I think 3 is going to be a factor, top and bottom. So that's going to basically simplify to 7 over 245. And then I've got a sneaking suspicion that 7's a factor of both 7 and 245. That simplifies to 1 over 35. So just be careful when you're multiplying fractions. The big thing is at the end, check to see if you cannot reduce it to lowest terms. If it is lowest terms, you're done, and that'll be awesome.